Hey guys, Mike Royal with Charleston Area Living Team and Realty One Group Coastal. I want to ask you a question. Where in Summerville can you find 2 acres of land and a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house for right around $300,000? Well, let me tell you, 94 Waterfowl Lane, that's where you can find it. Located just between Summerville and Cottageville. We're only 8 minutes away from where Google is coming in at the Pinehill Acres Industrial Campus, and so we're 13 minutes outside of Summerville. This is a great location. We're excited for you. 2 minutes away from the Edisto River, where you've got kayaking, tubing, fishing, all kinds of stuff all year long. Hey, this is a well-kept 2017 manufactured home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just over 1,400 square foot, and I can't wait for you to see it. Come on, let's go take a look. All right, wasn't I telling you guys the truth? Now listen, this is Sarge. He's ready to sell this place. So click the link below. All of our contact information is down there. We can do a Zoom meeting for you. We can book a showing for you. We'd love for you to come out and check this place out. 94 Waterfowl Lane. Come see it. Thanks.